Have you ever tried to remember where you went yesterday or last week or even months ago and your mind just went blank? Or maybe you lost an item, needed proof you were somewhere, or you wanted to track your movements during a trip. Your phone already does this quietly using location history, also called timeline. Today, I'll show you what it's used for, why it's important, and how to turn it on using I'll use my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but I'll also show you how it works on other Android phones and iPhones. So, location history, record places you visited like shops, trips, routes, and timeline using your Google account or Apple ID. You might need this if you lost your phone or an item and want to retrace your steps, or you want to remember places you visited on a trip. You need proof of where you were on a certain day, or maybe you want smarter Google Maps suggestions, or maybe you use fitness, delivery, or travel apps, etc. Now let me show you how to turn it on. Okay, on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you go to settings, and you go to location here, location, and you go to location services, that one, location services, and you select location history or timeline. This is called location history or timeline. So you tap here to manage this. So you make sure it's turned on. Like you see, mine is turned on, timeline is on. So you can go select there and you can turn it on. You can turn it on or off here. All right, and then depending, sometimes it will ask you to confirm a Google account if you have several Google accounts you want to use, right? Okay, so you can also control which devices are saving your location. All right, so devices on this account, see, this is my phone here. So if you have other phones, you can select or deselect them, right? So you can also choose whether it saves automatically, right? So or you can also auto delete or whatever. So click here. So mine is deleting activity older than 3 months. If I touch here, I can make an adjustment here. All right, so that's how that works. Okay, so if you have other Android phones, if you're using another phone, you go to settings and you go to location, you tap Google location history, or simply you can just, if you once you open your settings, once you open settings on any phone, just search. Instead of, you can just search here, go here and search location history. So if you tap search Google location history, it opens here for you. So, and you can just turn it on and off like that. Okay, you can also open, another way to do this is to open Google Map. If you open map here, right, open Google Maps, and then you tap on your profile picture. This is my Google Map. Tap on your profile picture, and what else, and then you go to the timeline. So this is the timeline here. This is another way to access this, your timeline, and you can view your saved, oh gosh, don't show my home address, and you can view your location, your whatever there. Okay, if you have an iPhone, go to settings, go to privacy and security, and you tap location services. You scroll down to system services, and you tap significant locations, then you turn it on. So this allows your iPhone to remember frequently visited places securely. Okay, so now this is how to view your location timeline. How to view this is, so you open the Google Map. So this is the Google Map, and you tap your profile picture up here. Let me show you if you don't. So this is the profile. Anyway, you tap your profile picture on the upper right hand corner and you select your timeline. So here, my timeline. If you go there and you choose any date to see places, routes, and times. I don't want to click it because it will show my home address. Okay, and so that's it. Location history isn't just tracking, it's a powerful tool for safety, memory, travel, and proof. So you're always in control and you can pause or delete it anytime. So if you found this helpful, like, share, follow, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you in the next video.